Hello everyone, in today's video I'll show you on how you can simply turn off crossplay in Apex Legends. Now off the get-go, you will basically not have this ability when you are using a computer or an Xbox console. You only have the ability to turn off crossplay when you are using PS5, PS4, or PlayStation related products. So in order to do this, just head over to the game menu, click game setting, and make sure that you are inside gameplay. From here, you just want to scroll down, and basically inside this section, there's going to be the crossplay enabling setting. So you just want to make sure that that option is turned off. Once again, you will not have this ability when you're using something like your computer in order to do this. And so guys, if this video has been helpful, leave a like, subscribe, and follow us for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.